In this video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to buy Bitcoin on Etoro. So this is super easy. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first of all, you want to log into your Etoro account and you'll be on a page like this. The next step is go to the panel on the left right here and go to discover and hit trade markets. So when you hit trade markets, this comes up and here you can see some available investments, and at the top you can see all the investments types that you can do on Etoro. So Bitcoin is obviously cryptocurrency, so go to crypto. And as you can see, here are all the available coins that you can buy on Etoro. So the first one is Bitcoin, and we can go ahead and hit buy right here, and here we can buy it. So we can enter in the amount. I change the unit, but because I haven't verified my account, I get this message. But if you do, no problem. You can enter in amount here. So let's do 100, for example, if you want. You can hit open trade, and if you also want to do an order, you can do that. Change the rate. Like this is basically a limit order, what you can do, and this is basically everything you have to do. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.